Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be rounding up the biggest product fails of 2020. I have skincare, makeup, and hair care. Just keep in mind that everyone's opinion on products is different. Some people like a more natural look, some people like a more full coverage look. Everyone has different skin types, tones, and textures, so makeup to me is really subjective, and this video is just for fun and just my opinion, so that does not mean it's wrong or right. If you have similar skin to me, maybe it will hold true to you, but if you don't, you probably will have a really different opinion. So I just want to have fun with this video, and I hope you guys will join me too. And if you like this, subscribe for more content like that. So first up, let's start with foundation and what I think was by far the biggest product fail in all of 2020, and that is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Now, whenever people say they don't want to look cakey and overdone, I'm pretty sure they're thinking of what my face looked like with this foundation on. It was so cakey and heavy, and to top it off, the color was just not right on me. It pulled this weird greenish color, and my mom literally told me that I looked like an alien when I wore this. So needless to say, I didn't wear it too much, and I was keeping it, hanging on to this product just for the sole purpose of filming this video. I could be wrong, but I thought Tati Westbrook once recommended this foundation, but it might be another one by Smashbox, but that's why I picked it up. It did not work for me. I typically love full coverage foundations like Estee Lauder Double Wear, but this just was not it. Another foundation fail for me was the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Now, this looks absolutely beautiful when you first put it on. I love the consistency, I love the coverage. It's full coverage, but not as full coverage as Double Wear. It honestly matched my skin perfectly. However, it was just so incredibly matte, and my skin is pretty oily. Like you can see, it's pretty shiny right now. So typically matte foundations work for me, but this was just very, very matte. Now my skin did transition to being slightly less oily throughout this year, but this foundation was just way too mattifying for me, and that made me really sad. Another foundation that I tried this year that I don't have anymore because I let go of it, and that was a foundation by e.l.f. I'll put it on the screen right here. That foundation was barely any coverage. It said it was matte, but it definitely was not matte. And it really didn't cover like anything on my skin. Like my redness was immediately poking through, and the foundation really didn't last. So I got rid of it, as well as the green blemish clearing primer by e.l.f. That product actually gave me acne, so when you have a product that is supposed to clear your blemishes and it gives you acne, that's a really bad sign, so I just threw those products away. I do love a lot of products by e.l.f., including their eyebrow pencil and eyeliner, but those skin products were just not working for me. Another product fail was this Cover FX Matte Setting Powder. Now, I think this is a great setting powder for the summertime whenever your skin is getting really greasy. And it does keep you matte, and it goes on nicely on the skin. However, this bottle gives you so many problems. It is so hard to get the product out. Now, I don't know if I just have a faulty container or what, but I've had plenty of other setting powders and they come out so easily, but I'm literally like doing an arm workout trying to get this product to dispense, and so I just never use it because it honestly really, really frustrates me, and it just puts me in a bad mood. So like I don't even use this product at all. Another product that I got rid of that I did not like by Cover FX was the bronzers, and I showed that in a makeup haul very early in 2020, and I was super excited for them. Everyone talked about how pigmented they were, but they are just totally not suitable on fair skin. At the time I purchased them, there were only 2 different options at Ulta, and they just pulled so harsh on my fair skin. I literally looked like a clown, and I immediately returned the product. The e.l.f. HD powder was also a fail for me. This powder smells awful. It smells like chemicals. It looks like chemicals, and it literally comes out white on your skin. Like, I get e.l.f. is a cheaper brand and you are paying for what you get, but they do have some really nice products, like I said, but these skin products are just not it. The last makeup skin product I have is this primer by Becca. It's the First Light Priming Filter. This product just doesn't really do a whole lot for me, but it does irritate my skin. It gives me redness and breaks me out. I've noticed that any products that have colors in them, like with a lot of dyes, generally really irritate my skin. So I've been trying to stay away from blue, purple, green products like this. I do really love the packaging, but the product just didn't work for me. Moving on to lip products, I really liked most of the lip products I tried this year, including the Smashbox liquid lip and a lipstick from Revlon. However, this liquid lip from Maybelline was absolutely awful. It's really pigmented and really nice, really long wearing. However, it's so drying on the lips. I have never ever tried such a drying lipstick, and like I said, it's really disappointing because I like the applicator, the color, everything, but just not worth it for me. I typically do sometimes put a little chapstick on before I put on my lip product to hydrate my lips, but that doesn't even help, and I will not be purchasing any more of these. This eyebrow product from CoverGirl, the Easy Breezy brow product. This is just way too light even on me, and it's in the color brown, so I'm really not sure like who this is made for, but just didn't work for me, and it just seems like really cheap, so I definitely consider that a fail. We have the very hyped up and beloved Hourglass Unlocked Mascara. Comes in this gorgeous gold tube. I showed this in a haul about a month ago. I was really excited. I thought the applicator looked promising. And this is a good mascara, don't get me wrong. It's a very nice mascara. However, it is not worth $30 in my opinion, not at all. I used to love the MAC False Lashes Extreme Mascara. They don't make that anymore. I 100% thought that mascara was worth $24. This mascara, I wouldn't consider this even worth $25. I might pay like $12 to $15 for this mascara, but I think L'Oreal, Maybelline, they make a mascara definitely equivalent to this, so I will not be repurchasing this from Hourglass. So moving on to more skincare and hair care. This was also one of the most disappointing things I bought overall in 2020, and that's this exfoliating brush by Michael Todd, as well as the cleanser it came with, the charcoal detoxifying facial mask. This product broke me out so badly. I think this is just way too harsh on my skin, and I've been seeing like a lot of things on TikTok that kind of talk about these, and also like those things that suck out your pores, those pore extractors, that's the word, and how that's like kind of dangerous to use by yourself because people aren't professionals, they don't really know how to use it. These aren't really products designed for at home. So for me, this was a tremendous fail, and again, it didn't help my acne, it just really irritated my skin. So I actually still have the box to this, and if anyone wants it, I will definitely sell it to you at a lower price than what I paid for it. Some people do like these. I literally used this like twice, so it's like brand new, and I have the charger and everything, and it does come in this really pretty flower design. These beauty blenders from Amazon, utter fail. Some people love these. I find these too hard, and I find that they absorb too much makeup, and instead of pressing the makeup into your skin, it actually takes it off your skin. I definitely prefer the Eco Tools and e.l.f. sponge over these. Will not repurchase. I don't know what to do with them because I have so many. This product was definitely not a win. It's the Pacifica Salty Waves Texturizing Shampoo. I did like how it was so nice and light on my hair. However, it just doesn't smell like anything. It smells like faintly of a banana. And by the next day, my hair already smelled like sweat. Again, I have like more oily hair. This product just did not work for my oily hair, which is a shame because like I said, I liked how it made my hair look, but it just made my hair just not smell good. And definitely not all about that. Another shampoo that didn't work for me was the Heritage by Mindy Mcknight Ultra Gentle Daily Shampoo. I picked this up at Walmart. It was about $7. I thought it looked interesting. But again, it was too greasy and heavy on my hair and made my hair very oily, so did not work for me. A couple products by Mario Deshu that did not work for me. I've heard that skincare line is riddled with bad ingredients, so I won't be purchasing any more products from them. The Glycolic Acid Toner made me break out, as well as the Acne Clearing Face Wash. And again, I think it's because these products are colored, so it's a no from me. I also did not like this Olay Regenerating Cream Cleanser. I wanted something that was more like anti-aging to try in the shower, and this product again broke me out, so no surprise there. I have been using the CeraVe moisturizing facial wash, and that has worked like a charm. I really do like that product, so the hype about that product is definitely real. Finally, my last product here is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Body Wash. Oh my god, did this exacerbate my back knee. My skin was like kind of getting better, and I used this and I had horrible, deep, painful breakouts. And then again, I also learned from Skin Talk that tea tree oil really shouldn't be used on the skin. It's too harsh and you shouldn't be using essential oils on your skin. So if you didn't know that, now you know. That wraps up my biggest product fails of 2020. Now I can finally throw all of these away. Let me know what products you hated and loved also in 2020. But I will not be making a product loves from 2020. I just didn't try all that many new products that I loved. So that wraps up this video. I hope you'll subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!